For Hebert, he pokes it. And McCabe now. Shot stopped. St. Pierre gets to it and he got. Hasselstein gets it to the boards for Bat to clear out to center ice. Saloom sends it right back on Edwardson. Pass for Dubois. Goes in behind the net, now circles back again. Tries a quick wraparound play. Edwardson gets the pad. Leslie trying to work his way out front. Backhander stopped. Glove down by Edwardson, and he'll hang on for a face-off. Cameron over for Frechette. Shot stopped. Rebound cleared away to the line, but not out. McCabe. He poked away from him, though. As Hebert brings it up. Shot glove down by Edwardson. Whistle 20 to 14, excuse me. McCabe, long shot, glove down by Edwardson. McCabe slaps it to the corner. Hebert into the slot. Shot off the glove of Edwardson from Leslie. Stolen by Saloom. Tries to center it, gets it back. Backhander stopped by Edwardson, and he was going the wrong way too. Traffic in front. Spun to the slot. Puck still loose. Cote shot right off the mask of Edwardson. Skating ahead with it now through center ice. In over the Canadian zone on the left wing side. Shot stopped. Puck goes to the end. Score tied at 4 as McCabe brings it up out of his own zone. Gets the red line, dumps it in on Edwardson, and he'll just hold on. Waits, now sends it back down low. Theo Chertis to flex it to the slot. Still loose. Another shot stopped by Leslie. Lets it go. Now Makara. Shot. What a save there by Edwardson. Keeps the pass. Van Horn trying to get onto the loose puck, but Besner knocks down his dump attempt. Thrown on net for Edwardson. He'll drop it off for by the Grads as Saloom gets it off the draw. Throws it on net. Edwardson plays it beside the net. St. Pierre